the last 3 days, the biggest worry that people have, apart from getting affected by coronavirus, is about the food. We have been following a lifestyle, a fast lifestyle. We used to have fast food. Lockdown period is something that will take us back to the basics. I am very much for having homemade food. Homemade food, that is very important for the health. When you make at home, you know what is going inside you. Everybody does not have a knack for cooking, but you need to cook. It's a necessity, like breathing, like remaining fit. Cooking is very important. That cooking one meal at least a day is very important. So I think this is the right time to learn basic cooking. If you go to the link that is given, you will have provided below also in the description, and I'll be putting other dishes also, which will be easy to prepare, and you can learn some basic cooking. That from that you can get creative and create bigger dishes. So let's use this opportunity to reboot ourselves, to learn to survive on the basic stuffs that are available with us. And so I'll be adding few more dishes later. Those who complain that who will wash the dish and all that, let me tell you that every day make it a part of your daily routine to spend some time cooking something for yourself. So that is, as you are taking care of your mental health by meditation, your body by fitness, you are taking care of your internal organs, you are taking care of your health by having some good food that is cooked in the house. So let us end this talk on a sweet note. I'll show you how to prepare a simple, easy, sweet dessert which is known as Rawa Kesari. It's very easy to prepare. Let me now show you how to prepare the Rawa Kesari. Thank you.